In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the title for your essay. We looked before at how to do the punctuation of the title of the literary work. This is the actual title for your essay. And when we're doing a literary essay, we've got a little more going on in the title of the essay than we typically do. So we have three elements that we need to work into our title. One is a preview of the topic or the thesis of your essay, and that's normally the only thing you include in the title of an essay. But when the essay is about a work of literature, you also need to include the author of the work of literature you're writing about and the title of the work of literature you're writing about. So we need a preview of the topic or thesis, the author we're writing about, the title of the literary work we're writing about. And I'll show you how to integrate that. What we don't want is just the name of the assignment or the title of the prompt, right? That should not be in your title. So let's look at some good examples here, and then we'll look at some bad ones. So this is a fairly kind of standard order. So here is the topic, gender roles. In Alice Munro's, she's the author, and then we have Boys and Girls, the name of the story, right? So that's sort of a typical way to do it. Sometimes people will just do a colon after the topic piece and then have author title. You can get a little fancier, have a little more for that first piece. One thing that's sometimes nice is taking a little quote from the story. There's a very critical quote called "She's Only a Girl," which is all about her gender. So you could just take a little quote if the quote sort of does a good job of previewing your topic or thesis, keep it in the quotes, then do colon, and then have topic, author, title of the literary work, right? Sometimes people make up their own clever main title. The horse is out of the barn. That's clever because this story uses the image of a horse escaping to represent the narrator's desire to escape her confining gender roles. And then you can do colon and then do your topic, author, and title. All right, but kind of the standard thing are the first two or three, right? Those include these three items, and that's a way that you can do that easily. And then we've got some fancier versions here. All right, here's what you don't want to do. These are bad examples. So you wouldn't want to call it short story essay or poetry essay or Pride and Prejudice essay or Trifles essay. That's not a good title. You also don't want to just only have your topic. Some people do that, and that's not a good essay title because it doesn't tell us what author or work of literature. Essay number 1 also doesn't tell us that. Sometimes people will put just the title of the work of literature and essay, like Boys and Girls essay or Pride and Prejudice essay. That's, aside from being a not very interesting title, it doesn't include the author. And this one is bad because it just has author and title. You don't know what the topic is, right? So again, we want all three: topic, author, title of literary work, and these are all various ways that you can integrate those three items.